ako, ang question ko lang what does she have to offer to the Filipino people? Except trying to check on corruption when she also has allegations on corruption on her. And the fact is, lahat ng kanyang mga kapatid, meron din silang allegations of corruption. So ano ang kanyang maiharap sa Pilipino, sa ating mga kababayan? Is she going to become the president and continue the legacy of her own father? So yung inaano niya kung ano may harap niya. Pangalawa, pag siya may lumaban sa kanya na matino, na malinis, na walang issue of corruption, for example, at meron silang tinatawag na plans on economic development, palagay ko naman the Filipino people will look into that. Napapagod na po ang mga Pilipino sa nangyayari sa ating bayan ngayon. They want a change of leadership.